Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello, fellow crafters. In this video, I will show you how to create a copper golem in Minecraft. This guide will walk you through gathering the necessary materials, assembling your golem block by block, and understanding its unique characteristics. We'll cover everything you need to know to bring this charming, button-pressing mob to life in your world. Get ready to add a fun, interactive element to your builds with just a few simple steps. To begin your copper golem adventure, you'll need just two main components. First, gather 4 copper blocks. These are crafted from copper ingots, which you get by smelting raw copper ore. You'll need a total of 36 copper ingots for the 4 blocks. Second, you'll need 1 carved pumpkin. Simply find a pumpkin and use a pair of shears on it to create the head for your new friend. Assembling your copper golem is a straightforward process, much like creating an iron golem. First, place 2 copper blocks directly on the ground, one on top of the other, forming a vertical stack. Next, position 1 copper block on each side of the top block, creating a T-shape. Finally, take your carved pumpkin and place it directly on top of the central stack. Your new copper golem will spring to life immediately. Once your copper golem is alive, it will wander around and interact with its environment in a unique way. These charming creatures love to press copper buttons they find, adding a touch of randomness to your redstone contraptions. Over time, your golem will oxidize, turning a beautiful greenish blue, but you can always deoxidize it with an axe. They are a delightful, interactive addition to any base.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.